Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to update Chrome and laptop Windows 10. So this is going to be a very easy one and a very fast one. So let's get started. So first thing that you want to do here is you want to locate and open up your Google Chrome application. Once you've opened up your Google Chrome application, you just want to locate the upper right of your screen. So in your upper right, you should be able to see a three-dotted icon that you can see at the upper right. So here, just click on it. And from here, you actually want to go to the help section for Google Chrome. And here, we want to click on about Google Chrome. In here, you should be able to see the Google Chrome or about Chrome settings on our device. So here, as you can see, I already have the Chrome is up to date setting. But if your Chrome is not actually updated, you'll see that the Chrome actually requests you to actually reboot your Google Chrome, because Google Chrome is actually an automatically managed application. So it means it's going to update or download itself. You just need to restart Google Chrome in order to fix or apply those updates on our PC or laptop. So just go ahead and click on the relaunch button that you'll see on your screen here, and that would actually relaunch your Google Chrome, and that would actually apply those updates on your Google Chrome. And that's basically how you update your Google Chrome. But for example, you're having issues on updating your Google Chrome, then you would have to do the following steps. So here you could actually go to get help with Google Chrome. As you can see here, there's help page for Google Chrome here, and from here you just need to type in the describe your issue text box here, the update keyword, and from here you should be able to see the article that says update Google Chrome. So just click on it, and from here you'll see the steps or further information about updating your Google Chrome. So if an update is pending, the icon will be colored. Green, an update was released less than 2 days ago. Orange, an update was released 4 days ago. And red, an update was released at least a week ago. So it means red, that's why it's red, because we need to actually constantly update our Chrome to get the latest things that we have right now in Google Chrome, because Google Chrome has many features, especially with the add-ins and the available extension that we could use for Google Chrome. So we need to have at least the latest version for Google Chrome. So here you could all do all of this stuff here that you can see on your article, but we could actually just scroll down at the very bottom, and as you can see, there's the was this helpful section. So just click on no, and from here you could just describe your issues regarding the update process on Google Chrome. So for example, your PC is doesn't update properly. When you update your Google Chrome, it might actually just say update again. You could actually describe that into your request here. So just click on submit, and you should just wait for any changes, or if the support reaches out to you, just wait for Google Chrome. Then, but for example, you're actually in a rush on getting your issue fixed, then I would suggest you to do the following steps. Now, if you're rushing to get your issues fixed on updating your Google Chrome, then I would just suggest you to uninstall Google Chrome itself and just go to google.com/Chrome again and reinstall Chrome. So when we actually reinstall Chrome, we're getting the latest version for Chrome, so there's no issues about it. So that's the best thing that we could do right now if you're having any issues right now. So just make sure to uninstall it and reinstall, and that should fix your issue. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.